Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm and PQ is equal to 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, it is given like in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So let us first of all draw the triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So I have already drawn a triangle and it is given like triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So let me name these ones. PQR, right angle at Q. So this is what, that is fine. And it is given that PR plus QR is equal to 25. So it is given like PR plus QR is equal to 25 given, and the other thing that is given is PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. The other thing that is given is PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So these are the things that we know. And what is the ask? The ask is like we need to find out sin P into sin P, cos P and tan P separately. Okay. So we need to find out sin P is equal to how much, cos P is equal to how much and tan P is equal to how much. So these are the three things that we need to find out. Okay. Now let us move forward with what is being given in the question. So it is given like PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ, it is given like PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So let me write down this one as 5 centimeter. Now PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter, or I can write QR is equal to 25 minus PR. So this is what I derived from this one, and let me name this equation 1. QR is equal to 25 minus PR from this equation only. Okay. Now guys, let us first of all try to find out the missing things, or what I can say, let us try to find out this PR. So what is PR? Applying Pythagoras theorem, I can write PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, or I can write PR square is equal to 5 square plus QR square, which is nothing but 25 minus PR square. Okay. Or in other words, I can write PR square is equal to 25 plus, let us solve this one. This is A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square is nothing but 25 into 25 is 625 minus 2AB. So that means 2 into 25, 50 PR plus B square. That means PR square. Okay. Now let me move this PR square to the left side. What I'm getting? I'm getting PR square minus PR square is equal to 625 plus 25 is 650 minus 50 PR. This PR square minus PR square plus PR square minus PR square is equal to 0. So I can write, or I can write 650 minus 50 PR is equal to 0. Or I can write minus 50 PR is equal to minus 650. Or I can write 50 PR is equal to 650. This minus symbol cancels off, so I am just removing this symbol and I am writing 50 PR as 650. Or I can write PR is equal to 650 upon 50. So that is equal to 13, because 13 into 5 is 65. So we are able to find out the value of PR is 13 centimeter. Okay, 13 cm. Now we know that QR, what is the value of QR? Let us put this 13 in equation 1 and we can get QR is equal to 25 minus PR that is equal to 25 minus 13 that is equal to 12. So we are able to find out the value for this one is 12 cm. Okay, now with these things in hand, let us try to find out the values of sin p, cos p and tan p. So what is sin p here? Sin p is nothing but opposite side to, so let me write sin p is equal to opposite side to angle p, that is QR upon hypotenuse, that is PR, or that is equal to QR is 12 centimeter upon 13 centimeter. So this is what we got the value of sin p. Now what is cos p? Cos p is equal to adjacent side to angle p, that is PQ upon hypotenuse, that is PR, or that is equal to, I can write 5 upon 12. Now tan p, what is tan p here? Tan p is equal to side opposite to angle p, that is QR upon adjacent side to angle p, that is PQ. So that is equal to, I can write 12 upon 5. Guys, here cos p is equal to PQ by PR. So PQ is 5 and PR is 13, not 12, sorry. So we are able to get these values. Sin p as 12 by 13 and cos p as 5 by 13 and tan p as 12 by 5. Let me write it down here. Sin p as 12 upon 13, cos p as 5 by 13 and tan p as 12 by 5. That's all, guys. This calculation is very simple and very straightforward. Hope you understood this process or calculation. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.